Hello, this is Cybergiant. Today I'm going to show you 7 great ways to invest for profit today. The 7 ways to invest for profit today are franchise business, secondary stocks, farmland, dollar cost averaging, global investments, internet, broker stocks, and future spreads. Okay, the first one. What is a franchise? Franchising is simply a method of distributing that involves a contractual agreement between two parties. This arrangement gives the franchisee legal right to use a franchisor's trademark within a particular geographic region. What the franchisor need to pay the franchisee a franchise fee and receive royalties based on a percentage of the franchisee's gross income, like percentage of sales. The franchise fee is a tangible cost that's part of the cost of the franchise that's not the fixtures, inventory, or equipment. Yeah. For in order, well, what's the benefits of the franchisor by doing the franchise business? You get to they help you select the site, the premises, and equipment. They would provide you the trademark logo, the training and hiring assistant, the production planning and control system, accounting packages, marketing plans, to marketing identification and penetration, the color and design schemes for the building, furnishings, and employee uniforms, volume purchasing, cooperative advertising, and new product research and development. And for like example would be like doing a McDonald's franchise. It's like right now they cost you about like $1 million to do a franchise for their fast food establishment. And it'll teach you how to do a McDonald's service from beginning, from cashier to food preparation. They have a university for it. And the franchise is a good business because urban area become less viable with crowded conditions, how freeways increase crime, more people are expected to spend growing amount of their residual income in their communities. And if you have like problems, let's say like a machine broke down, all the contact services will be like for the franchisee franchisor will offer like all the services you need to help to build your business to a successful thing. Hey, so here's some examples of top 20 new franchises in February 2000. Curves for Women. What it is a woman fitness center. East American Cash Express. It provides check cashing, home instead senior care, Cash Convert Intel, the Mad Science Group, Mr. Money USA, House Doctors, Atlantic Bread Corporation, Bennigan's Grill and Tavern, Wetzel's Pretzels, Sport Clips. I'll provide some links to the website and or the top franchisors. Next, I'll also provide like some websites like how you can become a franchise opportunities in your area and how to how to get some how to investigate before how to open a franchise business. Second thing I'm going to talk about is primary time for secondary stock. Secondary stocks is are those of small and mid-sized companies that are therefore more volatile in their price movement than the stock of the large and more stable company. They're called blue chips. While blue chip can absorb more pounding from bad economic conditions and we react more slowly to good economic conditions simply because of their size. Based on a study on the mid-cap index, roster 400 stocks regarding in size from $200 million to $5 billion in market capitalization. And for and you Investors can earn a lot of interest over time by investing in secondary stocks. What do you look for? In secondary stock is to check the company's strong cash flow, superior management, valuable assets, and turnover potential. And many traders will buy these shares of companies that grow at least 20-25% a year or 15 to 16 times in their next earnings statement. The type of companies that will be in secondary stock will be like Cozion Tech Solution, BB Solutions, Navigate Consultant, DSP Communication, InnoTrack, and I'll provide a list and what type of services they offer. Next one is you can make invest you can invest in like farmland, which you can make a big amount of income. And if you did it in a 10-year period, you can improved on annual return based during 5 years. First reason is U.S. agriculture business is now leaner and stronger. Commodity prices and income have increased, and it has reduced the debt in the 1980s. And there's like a group of agricultural investment, like Real Estate Research Corp in Chicago, for example. The institute investors are now more open to the farm sector as an attractive alternative to the troubled commercial market. And you can get agricultural loans for low as 3% versus the 5% on commercial portfolios. If you farm land on a raw land, that means like it's plain empty. You can go like corn, potatoes, all different type of commodities right there. And it's very valuable in the real estate market of the land. Depending like on how many acres it has and the quality of the land. The best way to improve your ability to make predictions about farmland is to carefully observe the manner in which areas around you have been developed in recent years and to gather available information about development plans for the area. Just go to your county planning and zoning department. You can get like information on properties outside the city of a village or established community. You can make about 20%. Let's say 20% of that is at least you make $20 for investing in farmlands. So farmlands, what they can use, they can change the area to be like offer like hunting and fishing area, depending on the land. Other potential use can be skiing, snowboarding, camping, horseback riding. And you can get like natural resources. If there are trees on the property, timber rights can be granted for a fee, especially if the trees are not valued for their appearance. And it can change the farmland to like a golf driving range, miniature golf course. So pretty much like you buy the land, and then something that can be used valuable, and then you can provide services to make a lot of money. What are the advantages of it? Potential for large price appreciation. Large acreage can be controlled with only small capital. Compared with metropolitan property, hold costs are low. Property can be built in buying large pieces and selling small quantities. Supplies fixed. Require relatively low attention management. The disadvantages are compared with other types of real estate, low profits during holding periods, and future appreciation short of expectation, hidden physical defects on greater reduced value, liquidations limited and unpredictable. Other development land is not depreciable and have limited financing. The third way to invest today are dollar cost averaging. Dollar cost averaging is to pay yourself first by regularly investing a certain amount each month. Once you commit yourself to an investment, can require periodic payments, and that money is no longer available for spending. Dollar cost average smooths out the peaks and ways of investing. You can buy a few shares when the market is up and more when it's down. Let's say today in February you invest $100. The price was only $9. And number of shares bought, you buy 11 shares. So the price, so you got 9 times 11, $99, and you bought $100 worth of shares. So time that all together, you can make, if you did that like every single month for 12 months, you can, so $100 per month for 11 months, you spend $1,100. So you have 149 shares. So you add that up at a worth at $10 each will be $1,491.28 in 1 year. The average price of your share is $7.73, but your average cost is $7.38. The next thing you can invest in is global investment. Okay, first I'll tell you what global investments are. Global investments are like it's natural resources, and according to Morgan Stanley Capital International, our current share of the world equity market is greater than 40%. Okay, you can invest in like foreign stocks, like electronic technology, robotics, automotive engineering. Yeah, I've invested in it and I made like $2,000 off it because I got like a little bit in the middle for. And you can also invest in mutual funds, and you can also, the advantage of global funds is that investors don't have to rely on their own judgment to allocate their holdings, domestic and international shares. They have a professional fund manager who handles that job for them. So pretty much like diverse your assets into like you can diverse like some of your assets. Like let's say you trade in the United States on a stock, let's say Nasdaq, and you trade on the Helsinki Stock Exchange, which is in Finland, and they can tell you like the percentages. So it's like 161.98% in change. Or you can trade like Ford, IBM, Pfizer, Orbit, Scientist, Medtronic, Merck, so forth. And you can figure out like a 1 year yield, like how much you'll gain like in percentages. And there's like different types of funds in Europe and Asian funds. Next, the sixth way to invest for profit today are internet broker stocks. What I mean, like you invest in like technology stocks. Many of the China that were so popular a few years ago have been displaced by more aggregator companies that offer more and better service. Like top 12 websites like Yahoo.com, Webcrawler, Netscape, Yahoo, no, InfoSeek, say, I'll provide like some websites. If you bought like one stock in, let's say in the 1990s, and you just cashed out like 2005, you can make it. Like doing a $10,000 investment, by the end of 1 year, it'll be worth $41,400 a year's end. Okay, you can best technology stocks to invest in are Cisco Systems, Sun Microsystem, internet equipment provider, Broadvision, a manufacturer of internet commerce software, American Online, Granddaddy. In order to break into the internet brokers stocks, it's a large portion of the business away from conventional brokers. Full service brokers have in fact suffered greatly at the hands of this new competition. You just need about $500 to purchase, and you can buy 500 shares of Microsoft. Compared to an internet broker, they only charge $8. Ameritrade charge $8 for that same purchase. What would you rather pay? $500 and you don't have to pay like commission for it. The value of internet brokerage companies may lie in their potential investment as themselves. And they can offer like different types of people, like you need home mortgage. You can compare rates and apply online for a mortgage loan. Yeah. And some internet brokers offer online checking accounts. You can do like online banking, Ameritrade, E-Trade, Fidelity, Quicken Loans, Schwab, TD Waterhouse. The seventh way to invest today to make a profit, future spreads. Future spreads are like a complex marketing strategy that involves future markets and how to make profits on them. An example is the TED spread involves going long or buying a treasury bill future contract. Instead of going short or selling Eurodollar future contract for the same delivery month. T-bills are safe investment in the world, and they pay the investor a low interest rate because there's no risk involved. Eurodollar are also safe, and they pay a higher interest rate. A future contract is simply an agreement between two people in which one person promises to sell a specific item to the other at a set time in the future for an agreed-on price. Future contracts can be anything from grains to metals to currencies to debt securities. I trade in futures and made like about $2,000 a month. And there's like two forms, which is aggressive. It means like aggressive and conservative. Aggressive is like, okay, they start with like they speed up like very quick, like in minutes, like 55 points or less. Conservative is about 36 points or less. And there's like you can do seasonal trades. People can trade like sugar. Or when sugar most expensive, and in what month? Sugar prices are urgency by changes in the balance between production and consumption by the size of sugar stocks. For example, when you cash, sugar prices soared from 8 cents per pound to around 35 cents per pound a few years ago. It can cause harvests in Cuba to be lower and virtual ban on sugar exports by India and substantial decline in the world's sugar stocks. What involves is which you can do short sale on sugar in October and by March is like the delivery day, so trade between October and March for sugar. The rules are pretty much simple. It starts in like November 15th and ends May 30th. It's the best time to trade. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and share the video with everyone so they know about 7 great ways to invest for profit today. Hope to see you guys next time. And I'll provide some links for coupons and discounts for our websites so you guys can save some money. Hope to see you guys next time.